Do you know what is the iFloaters? And do you know how to download YouTube video without any downloader app? What if you type "ask you" into Google? These type of amazing facts are waiting for you. So friends, this is the third part of Random Fact series. In this series we share with you various facts from all around the world. And believe me, they are very amazing, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. So without wasting a time, let's move on the video. Living the side of water can make you calmer, happier and more creative. A study found. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. If you eat a polar bear's liver, you will die of a vitamin A overdose. Marrying your best friends eliminates the risk of divorce by over 70%, and this marriage is most likely to last a lifetime. Exercise increases your intelligence. There are more chickens on the earth than people on the planet. To download a YouTube video, insert SS after www and before youtube.com. You'll grow nearly 600 miles of hairs in your lifetime. An average person will spend about 26 years asleep. The way a person treats restaurant staff reveals a lot about their character. Planets have sounds. Like a Jupiter sounds a bit like being underwater. Neptune sounds like ocean waves. And Saturn sounds like the background of a horror movie. The dot on the top of the letter I is called a title. You can't kill yourself by holding your breath. Don't try it. When you learn, you change the structure of your brain. Honey is the only food that does not spoil. There are colors that others can see but we can't. Bruce Lee was so fast that they had to slow the film down so you could see his movie. It snows medal on planet Venus. The Nokia 1100, made in Finland, is to this day the best-selling mobile phone of the all time, with 250 million units sold. Stamped by a math problem? Get the Photoman app and scan the math problem with your phone, and app will solve it for you. Your DNA is fireproof. There were active volcanoes on the moon when dinosaurs were alive. Fictional or horror writer Stephen King sleeps with a nearby light on the calm his fear of the dark. Men are not funnier than women. They just make more jokes, not caring whether other people like their humor or not. In the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble made the revolutionary discovery that the universe is not static, but rather is expanding. There is a cafe in France which charges €7 for a coffee to rude customers and €1.40 to people who talk politely to staff. The Truman Syndrome is a psychological disorder in which patients believe that they are living in a reality TV show. If you search for "ask you" in Google, the content will tilt slightly to the right. Einstein couldn't speak fluently until after his 9th birthday. His parents thought he was mentally handicapped. Cleopatra was not Egyptian, she was Greek. Dogs and cats, like humans, are either right-handed or left-handed. If Thai policeman breaks the law, they are forced to wear a Hello Kitty armband. April 8, 1930 was such a slow news day that at 6:30 p.m. the BBC's radio announcer said, "There is no news." Ants stretch when they wake up in the morning. A study found that men feel more emotional pain after a breakup than women do. Without its pinky finger, a hand loses 50% of its strength. In France, you can marry a dead person. Negative emotions such as anxiety or depression can weaken your immune system. Bill Gates' house was designed using a Mac computer. Laptop batteries can last longer if you charge them up to only 80% instead of the full 100%. Only female mosquitoes bite. Comedians and funny people are usually more depressed than average, research found. Candles will burn longer and drip less if they are placed in the freezer for a few hours before using. The weird bright dots you see floating when you look at the sky are your white blood cells. Suicide was once treated as a crime during the late 19th century. If a person got caught trying to kill himself, he was jailed and punished by hanging. A snail can have about 25,000 teeth. After the sun and moon, Venus is the brightest thing in the sky, visible from Earth. One of the most hydrating foods to eat is the cucumber, which is 96% water. According to the annual World Happiness Report, Finland is the world's happiest country, and the South Sudan is world's least happy. Diamonds and pencils are made from the same material. Cows move with regional accents. Astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller in space. A moonbow is the rainbow that happens at night. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth at about 3.8 cm every year. The cigarette lighter was invented before the match. Crying makes you feel better, reduce stress, and may help to keep the body healthy. A shrimp's heart is in its head. Every day is a holiday somewhere in the world. In 2007, a Bosnian couple divorced after discovering both had an online affairs with each other under fake names. Kids grow taller in the holidays than during school days. Frogs don't drink. They absorb water through their skin. A snail can sleep for more than 3 years at a time. Blue whales are so large that a human could swim through its veins. Sea otters have a pouch under their forearms to store their favorite rocks. So friends, that's all for today. Hopefully you like this facts video. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and with your family. Also visit the other part of this series, which you will find in the I button and also in the description. And some videos will also appear on the screen. Make sure to visit them.